My name is Maria Petalina. I am a full-time faculty member for the Forensics Institute at Syracuse University. I have been here for about 3 years. Prior to coming to Syracuse full-time, I spent about 20 years in the crime scene investigation field. You are in practical crime scene research, which is a combination of both graduate and undergraduate students, where they spend 15 weeks over the semester coming up with their own idea. And with the idea, what we're looking for is some type of practical research that may be able to be conducted by a crime scene investigator, which means something that they could do back in their lab to strengthen the science, whether it's latent fingerprints, bloodstain pattern analysis, shooting reconstruction. So our grad students are looking at processing for latent prints on paper, but specifically US currency. This idea came about through my professional networks within the field of forensic science. So I belong to many organizations, sit on certain committees, and I usually will reach out to them before I teach this course to say, hey, are you seeing anything in the field that the students can help with? And there was an overwhelming response to US currency. When the graduate students started to do their literature review, they found that there has not been any new processes developed for that in several years. There's been a lot done for counterfeit, but not actual currency. So based off of the previous research that had been done, they came up with a few chemicals that are well known in the field for processing for amino acids, which is fingerprints on porous surfaces like money. And they actually were able to come up with a new technique that has not yet been published for currency on getting very good fingerprints off of money. But the undergraduate students decided to look at bloodstain pattern analysis, specifically area of origin. So how far away from a surface a bloodletting event may have occurred. We do this with blood spatter, specifically impact spatter. And what the undergraduate students did is they spent the last several weeks creating area of origin bloodstains with a known origin. They created 24 of them themselves, and now what they are doing is looking at generative AI systems to see if AI can estimate the area of origin. We are looking at real-world problems that forensic professionals are currently facing. So oftentimes, being in the field for a while, we come across these problems, but we don't have the time to fully investigate them and do experiments on them. So by working with the forensic community, we're able to see some of the real-world problems that they're experiencing right now. The students dedicate those 15 weeks to it. And then based off of previous offerings of the class, we've actually have those research studies either up for or published in forensic journals. So we hope to be able to help the forensic community across the world.